What's up guys, my name is TJ and today I'm going to be reviewing a 3-pack of ZITY's UPF 50 plus rated shirts. Now these are awesome because they come in a 3-pack and it's going to be perfect for vacation like you can see here on the beach. It's going to have that UPF 50 plus rated protection from the sun. So we were on the beach a little bit too long with your wife and you're feeling a little sunburnt. Throw one of these on. So I'm 5'11", 150 pounds and I'm wearing a size medium, and as you can see it fits perfectly. So this is going to be made with 100% polyester material. So it's going to have that 4-way stretch going all the way throughout, keeping you very comfortable. Now with this polyester, it's also going to be super lightweight and breathable. So if it does get wet, you're not going to find yourself sticky at all. It's going to be super moisture wicking and comfortable. So especially if I get a little bit of water on here, it's going to be super quick drying as well. So as you're out in the sun, it's going to be absolutely no problem. I love how this comes in a 3-pack because you have so many different colors to choose from, and that's going to make it super versatile with this 3-pack. Throw it in your suitcase and you'll be ready to go and hit the beach for the summer. Now I especially love this because it does have a hood on the back here. So my ears get really burnt out in the sun. So if I throw this hood on, I'm going to be totally protected, and now I can sit on the beach and know I'm not going to get any sunburn. Now another thing that I do love that makes this super comfortable is it does have a tagless design right in the back. So if you do get wet at all, you're not even going to feel anything. There's going to be no chafing because this does have a rash guard material. We got double stitch going all the way on the sleeves, and this does have the raglan sleeves as well. So you're going to be able to have that nice mobility all the way throughout your day. So these are a must-have. I highly recommend these. Make sure you add them to your Amazon cart. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.